We are Team InnovaX and our project is called Demand Pulse. It's an AI-powered retail intelligence platform that predicts product demands, explains trend using generative AI, and suggests smarter ways to manage inventory across Walmart stores. We choose this problem because as many global retailers still faces issues with stock mismatches, either products ran out too soon or pile up in the wrong places. This affects customers, lead to waste, and causes revenue loss. During seasonal rushes and big promotions, the problem becomes even bigger. According to the recent reports, retail supply chain even inefficiencies cost billions, and the AI in supply chain market is expected to grow to over $45 billion by 2030. There's a huge opportunity to make a real difference, and that's why we built Demand Pulse. Now, let me give you a walkthrough of our platform. So, here you can see the dashboard as which will give you the four main features as ML forecasting, visual analysis, inventory optimization, and real-time insights. So if you can see, here are the features that we have integrated as and the real world case scenarios that we can considering here seasonal transition planning, holiday demand, search management, weather inventory optimization, and the workflow that we have given as it will first give you the data collection, then ML processing, then generate analysis, and then give you the smart recommendations. And for whom you can use this, use for the managers, store vendors, vendor partners, and the real case world scenario, as you can see here. Also, the one feature that we have given here is the AI assistant chatbot. So here you can see all the features, and here you can see the AI analytics assistant, which will give you the insights according to your questions. So if we can consider if one question we can ask is as let's say why is the demand for soft drinks spiking in execs this week. So it will generate according to that and basically give you an insights according to that. And here you can see as the features as we have integrated as the main dashboard, where you can see all the insights, the all the insights according to the various distribution across the different inventory management. Then analytics, as you can see here, the category distribution and the regional performance and the metrics of the trends and analysis. Then next is the forecasting. As you can see here, you can see the demand drivers and the scenarios we are considering and the smart alerts. And the last one is the report analysis, where you can also upload any recent reports and can save it for store for the further so past histories will be recorded. And there you can see the customer builder and like you can customize and build your own report also and can generate. And this is the how it works, and we are here to make it happen. At last, I would say as this makes me our platform stand out as the store managers can also use and vendors also. So we have built an inventory planner also, which will recommend how to shift extra stock from one store to another, and it will reduce the waste and improving availability for customers. And we have used here React frontend style with using Tailwind CSS and powered with the fast API backend in Python. At the end, our goal is to help Walmart and make it faster, smarter, and more human-friendly decisions using AI. So thanks for watching and looking forward to build something